Jai Sri Ram. Vishnu Sahasranamam 102 verse. Adhara nilayo dhata. Adhara nilayo dhata pushpahasah prajagarah. Urdhvagah satpathacharah pranadah pranavah panah. So meaning Shuddham. Adhara nilayo, one who is the support of even all the basic supporting factors like the five elements. Dhata, adhata, one who is one's own support and therefore does not require another support. Adhata, adhara nilayo adhata, pushpahasaha, one whose manifestation as the universe resembles the hasa or the blooming of buds into flowers. Okay, pushpahasaha. Prajagaraha, particularly awake because he is eternal awareness. So the Suprabhatam which we are singing to every deity is actually to awaken his presence within our hearts. It is not to wake him up. And some idiots are criticizing this, that you have to wake up your God. Bloody idiot. He is Prajagaraha, who is eternal awareness, who is particularly awake. He is ever awake. He doesn't sleep. He does not have any tamoguna. He is Shuddha Sattva. Prajagaraha. Okay. Urdhvagaha. 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 Let us see. One who is above everything. Urdhva. Sat Pathacharaha. Sat Pathacharaha. One who follows the conduct of the good. Sat Pathachara. Sat Patha. Good path. Pranadaha. One who gives back life to the dead ones, as in the case of Parikshit. So he is a Sahodara of Parikshit because he entered the Udara of Uttara to save Parikshit. So Krishna is the Sahodara of only Parikshit. So blessed he was. Then Pranavaha. He is the Pranava, Om, the manifesting sound symbol of Brahman. He is inseparably related with Pranava. He is called Pranava. And next, Panaha. 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 Coming from the root prana, meaning transaction. Panaha means transaction. One who bestows the fruits of karma on all according to their karma. So you're getting what you deserve to get. You will not get anything more, anything less. Saturdambato maya ekeshara tu dani